is beautiful. Ooh, she's a beauty.
Am I really that much handle? Breaking these figures down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey y'all, if you're new, welcome. My name is Andrea D. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my channel out with your friends, your family, your enemies. Don't make me know, never mind. And if you guys are returning, welcome back. You already know how we get down over here, okay? You guys, I'm excited for today's video. Oh my God, what I'm about to share with you guys, it's epic, okay? I was gifted a bag by babalabags, okay? By you heard me, babalabags gifted your girl a bag that she wanted for a while now. It's probably been a couple of years now, like 2 or 3 years. I've been wanting this bag, and she got it. She got it. I got it. It's right here waiting to show y'all. But let me tell y'all a little bit about this company. They gifted your girl a bag, and they have a whole bunch of stuff on their website. I'm going to leave the website down below. I'm going to leave the link to my bag that I'm about to show you down below. I have a code for you guys, so you can get some money off your purchase, okay? All that's going to be linked down below, baby. Don't you worry. I got y'all. If I'm good, you're going to be good. Don't worry about that, okay? So let me show y'all what I got. Now, I did take it out its original package, but this is the dust bag. Okay, nice, thick, lovely dust bag. Okay, and it's nicely packaged, I must say. Nicely packaged. Y'all, when I tell y'all I've been wanting this bag, I've been wanting this bag. Okay, how can I open it? Okay, here we go. I've been wanting this bag. It ain't no joke. Okay, I literally been wanting this for the past couple of years. Seriously. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. She is beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, I'd be so excited. Look how good they packaged this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You see all this? Baby, it came to me like it's supposed to have came. Okay? Nice and secure. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me take the packaging and stuff off. Ooh, she's a beauty. And y'all already know pink is my color. That's like one of my favorite colors. Pink and black, okay? Pink and black is my favorite, baby. Oh, it still got some tape and stuff on here, or whatever this packaging is. Oh, let me open her up, baby, because she's flat. Oh my God. I've been wanting her. This must be the strap. Look at this. More, making sure everything is secure. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh. Can y'all imagine when I go traveling, I have this now? Oh my God. Okay, let me put her down right here. You stay right there. Another dust bag. Y'all, when you get a dust bag just for your straps, stop playing with them, okay? Stop playing. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sweating, y'all. I'm sweating with excitement, okay? Okay. Nicely packaged. Oh my God. Yes. Everything's here. Yes, she's here. She's here, girls. Yes. Oh, this must be the lock, baby. Ooh. Oh, yes it is. So yeah, got my lock all secured in here. Y'all see that? Okay. Let me give y'all a little close up because I'm going to take this lock off out of this bag. Y'all, the packaging, A1. A1, baby. A1. Look at this. The packaging. I hope y'all can see this. See this? Packaging is A1. Okay, come on and focus now. But y'all get the drift. And they got the keys. Let me put that here. Don't want to lose that. Okay. Ooh, I got to try to put her together. Everything is packaged real nice. Oh my God. Y'all, I'm finna plan me a little staycation or something, baby. This is the strap. Part of the strap anyways. Y'all see this? Get into another strap right here. Oh my God. I am loving it. I am loving it. And it has this. A little tag or whatever. Period. Period. Y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all don't even know. I just been wanting this bag for a while. Every time I go traveling, I'm like, I need me a nice, cute bag. You know what I'm saying? A cute little bag or whatever. Do a little 1 2 1 2. Y'all don't know. Y'all do not understand how excited I am about this bag. Y'all just don't know. Okay, let me calm down. Calm down, Andrea. Collect yourself. Okay, so I got to put all this stuff together. I got to put this on the bag too. Oh my God. Okay, I don't even know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. Here's that. Y'all. But anyway, this is the straps. I got to take all this off, y'all, so y'all can see the full effect, baby. Thank you, babalabags. Y'all, like I said, the discount code that y'all gonna have is down below. Matter of fact, wait, let me find my little discount code for y'all. The discount code is AD9245. Like I said, I'm putting everything in the description. Y'all ain't got to worry. Okay, y'all gonna have this link to this bag and all the other stuff that they have on their website. Okay, let me get back to y'all and let me take all this stuff off and come back, because I want y'all to see the full effect. Because now I got to figure out how to put everything together, honey, because I have to put all this on the bag. Everything came nicely packaged. Like, can you believe this? Everything, keys, all, everything. But before I put all this together, let me show y'all this bag real quick, close up in person. I want to put some stuff in before it can sit out nice and pretty for y'all. Baby, look at this. Oh my God. Let me try to fluff her out a little bit. What should we call her, y'all? What should we call her? Oh, can y'all see this? Oh my God. I got to take this packaging still off, but y'all pretty much see what I'm seeing, okay? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Y'all can get one. Y'all can get one too. Oh, she's so pretty. I love her. Oh my God. Zipper going, this zipper ain't got no problems, baby. Stop playing. No problems. Let me show y'all the inside of her. Oh, I got a little thing up in here too. She is so pretty. Yeah, I'm so happy. Y'all just do not know. Can y'all see her? Can y'all see her? This is how big it is too. Oh my God. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to put all these straps and stuff on. Oh my God. I'm excited. I'm really impressed. Like, literally gave me a little dust bag for the straps. Who does that? I got a dust bag for my straps, baby. Stop playing with me. Babalabags, baby. Thank you for my gift. Early birthday gift or whatever. Thank you. Thank you. Cute. Cute, cute, and cute. I'm acting like a kid in the candy store because you know why? This is it. This is it. I mean, this is it. I love pink, y'all. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Y'all think I should do this for my thumbnail? I'm acting silly. Okay, let me try to figure out how to put all this stuff on. Y'all, I'm telling y'all better go get you some. Let me take all this little plastic and stuff off, whatever this is off, because they packaged this to the T, baby. And I'm gonna come right back to y'all. Y'all, I'm back. I'm so thirsty. I am so thirsty to show y'all this. I ain't even take all this stuff off, but I don't even care. So y'all, I'm so excited. I didn't even tell you the name of the bag or nothing, baby, but don't you worry. Keepall 45 is the one I have. A duffel bag. LV, baby. Yeah, so I got the 45. It's not as big as the other ones. I wanted something like this. This is like a carry-on. So when I go traveling, I didn't want nothing too crazy. But this is the Keepall 45 LV, baby. Like I said, everything's going to be linked down below. I am so thirsty. I ain't even put like I still got to put this on here, baby. I still got to put all the stuff on here. I still got to put this on here. But I just want to show y'all. And then I got to put my little tag and everything on here, girl. She going to be looking cute or whatever. Anyway, y'all, I just want to show y'all. This is brief. So let me see. I put the strap on, okay? And let me close her up. I should have put something in here for it can stay like really, you know, full. Because I want to give y'all the full effect. So when y'all out here want to purchase one, y'all can see. Okay, so yeah, I'm so excited. Like I'm like a kid, baby. I don't care what y'all think. I'm acting a fool about this bag. Okay, let me try to stand up and show y'all. So I have the strap on, and it's like this. Okay, so it's pretty much going right here. So if you want to carry it like that, or if you want to go carry like a crossbody, you know, you trying to hurry up and get to the airport, you running through the airport, baby. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm finna plan something just to take her somewhere. I don't care if it was a staycation, going up the street, honey. Okay? Like, it don't even matter. I gotta put all this stuff on, child. Don't you worry. But anyway, y'all, please go purchase you one. Link is down below to their website. Link to my bag is gonna be down below as well. Thank y'all so much. Babalabags, thank you for my gift or whatever, girl. Thank you. Because I really needed this bag. I've been wanting this bag. It's so funny how they gifted me this bag, and I've been wanting this bag for the longest. And I got it. I got it now. Thank you, God. God knew what I wanted. You know what I'm saying? He said, no, just wait. You're going to get it. And I got it. Okay, thank you again, Babalabags, for gifting your girl. Thank you so much, y'all. Y'all, please don't hesitate. Run. Click the link down below. Go to the link to their website. They have shoes, jewelry, bags, travel stuff, as you can see. Let me see what else. They have a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. It's so much to name. Like I said, LV they have Chanel. I mean, the list goes on and on, baby. The list goes on and on. So I'm gonna give y'all my discount code so you guys can buy you something nice or whatever. Discount code is AD9245. That's AD9245. I had to write this down. Make sure y'all got to know what to do. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it down below anyways to their website. Thank you, Babalabags, for gifting your girl. I appreciate it, y'all. Link is down below to their website. Link is down below to my baby. If y'all a pink girl, go get you one or whatever. I mean, oh, and let me tell y'all too real quick. When I got it, by the time they sent me the tracking information, I probably got this bag in a week and a half. If that, a week and a half. From the time they sent me the tracking information, I got the bag the following week, baby. Yeah, probably like a week. I said, this is fast shipping. A girl loves that. I ain't got time to be waiting 50 years, 30 days, and all that extra stuff or whatever. Give me my stuff, okay? Give me my stuff. So y'all go over there to the link down below. Please purchase something. Packaging as well. Product is well maintained, baby. Great product. From the hardware, I haven't even took all this off. Y'all see, they didn't even play with you, girl. They got all this taped up. Do you see this? They made sure all this was wrapped. I don't even know what this is. I'm saying tape, but it ain't tape. But y'all know what I'm saying. Everything to the T. Look at the hardware. Just look at the hardware. Y'all see this? Hardware is on point. Like everything wrapped up, nice and secure or whatever. Oh my gosh. Like everything. You can't get no better than this. I want y'all to get the full effect. This is the 45, like I said. They have bigger ones you can purchase, but I wanted something like this. Okay, y'all, let me stop rambling. Anyway, y'all go ahead. Thank you again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share me out with your friends and family, y'all. Go get you one. Get this one. You can get whatever you want. They got purses. They got everything. Everything on their website that you could think of. They got. Go get you one. And tell them I sent you whatever. I'm gonna be good. You're gonna be good. Obviously, hello, we family. You know what I'm saying? So let me go, cause I'm trying to think right now where can I go so I could be like, okay. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna go right now so I can go ahead and pop her out. Ooh, y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. I'm sorry. I'm acting a little crazy and stuff because I am excited, y'all. Y'all, I love my bags. I love bags, shoes, jewelry. Y'all already know. I'm a girl's girl. I will have a lot of bags and don't care nothing about it. Because it's just like I have to have it. It's like you have to have, you know, you got to breathe. I got to have my bags. Okay? Y'all go get y'all one. Ooh, this is stunning. Stunning. I just want to show y'all another close-up real quick before I go. Stunning. Do y'all see this? Like, this is stunning. I love me a pink too. Y'all know I love me pink. I love me pink, y'all. This is beautiful. Y'all can't tell me nothing. You can have the strap carrying it through the airport. Have it on your girl. I gotta put all this stuff on here, baby. Packaging, and like I said, who do you know give you a little duffel bag like this for your strap? I'll wait, because they don't. And if they do, where they at? Oh. I gotta go, y'all. Y'all go ahead. Everything's down below. Thank you again for watching this, y'all. Thank you, babalabags, for gifting your girl. Happy birthday to me. Bye, y'all.
High volume. Am I really that much?